Hi, welcome back to Motech Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay. G20 talk, let's crack on with it and get it modified. So, pile of stuff behind me is what we're going to be fitting to our LCI G20 BMW. Some of it we're going to still have to pick and choose. So on the spoilers, we've gone for the 2 spoiler option from AC Schnitzer, which is the boot spoiler and then the window spoiler. We don't do a lot of the window spoilers, but excited to get it on this one. And we're unsure whether we're going to go gloss black to keep the gloss black theme going. As we said in a previous video, this car has a lot of gloss black. The front is covered it into the rear diffuser is really deep in the gloss black. So do we put the gloss black spoiler on? So we take the original off, have the AC Schnitzer one painted in gloss black, or do we do it body colour? Let us know down below. Then onto the front and sides, obviously AC Schnitzer front, LCI only, this sort of lower splitter, matching the sides. Whether we're doing the body colour, leaving this satin black or painting them gloss black, yet again, don't know, still open to suggestions, so maybe me and Jay will have a conversation about that one as well. Wheels, MW3 or MW1, unsure. The opposite wheel to whichever one we do, so if we put MW1s onto this one, MW3s will actually be going on Tony's new demo car on a vlog coming soon. So he'll have the opposite. So I don't know which ones I prefer. So maybe we can take a pick on that one. So let us know yet again down below which wheels you'd pick and maybe we'll put that one on the car. Last thing is the ride height. It's horrendous. I've had this car now for about 3 weeks. We've driven around it completely standard. It drives really nice. It has run flat tyres onto it, so we're going to get them off. So we will be putting Michelin Pilot 4S's on when we change the wheels out. But the ride height, I just can't live with it. It's just too high. The wheels are too swollen in. The tyres just look under-tired, the whole thing just doesn't work. It handles okay, it's a bit crashy over some of the bumps. I don't think the spring rates are particularly good. It's a bit wallowy sometimes. Just needs to be tightened up. So we're going to fit the Eibach Pro Kit on this car, which is a progressive rate spring. So basically that will retain a lot of its day-to-day ride and durability and comfortableness that we all want as a daily, but stop a lot of the rolling, which this car is really going to need. This is a big, heavy car. So this spring kit is specific for the 340d mild hybrid as well. You don't want to be putting 4-cylinder springs or a petrol spring on a big, heavy diesel. So first things, let's get that fitted and then we'll reassess what we're doing next. So, nice difference on this Eibach Pro Kit. It's about 20-25mm drop, and we've opted for the 12mm front with a 15mm spacers. Perfect for the ride height we're doing. If you weren't lowering the car, probably maybe a 12mm spacer all the way around, but as you're dropping it, the car has a natural bit of camber just to tuck the wheels in. And actually, the wheels doesn't look as bad. Like I said, I'm not a fan, but it doesn't look too bad on this particular setup. Now, drive, I've had the car lowered 2 days now, driven it, it's much improved. The car can reset quicker, so what I mean, when you hit a bump, instead of going back to the factory height, obviously because the car's slightly lower, it settles itself slightly quicker, which gives a much better improved ride, handles better, and of course, looks a lot better. Next up, we're taking the car to the body shop. We're gonna read through the comments and see if you think we should paint the spoilers gloss black or body color. Then, we're talking about wheels. See you on the next video, thanks a lot.